Exciting rumors are swirling around Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Slim, which might replace the dwindling iPhone Plus lineup. According to DigiTimes, the iPhone 17 Slim is expected to feature a cutting-edge TDDI OLED display from Taiwanese brand Novatek. This technology merges the touch sensor layer and display driver into one unit, allowing for a sleeker, thinner design. We'll also discuss speculation surrounding the iPhone 17 Slim's pricing, which might even surpass the Pro Max series. Plus, there are rumors about the camera setup that may surprise you. Will Apple truly release a device with only one camera? Stay tuned for all the details, and if you're excited about what's coming next from Apple, be sure to like this video, share it with fellow Apple fans, and subscribe for the latest tech news. What do you think of the iPhone 17 Slim concept? Let us know in the comments.